finish. We're not scared taking a corner too fast or too slow now.
And in the same sport, the WRC Safari Rally's Greening Legacy campaign has clocked the 8.2 million mark ahead of its 19 million mark. The campaign headed to Kakamega Forest over the weekend in a move that saw the reclamation of 15 acres. The CEO, Phineas Kimathi, announced that the organization is running a 700,000 tree planting marathon as the Safari Rally celebrates its 70th anniversary on June the 21st. Now, WRC Safari Rally Kenya head of special programs, Ivy Kaburu, said they were pleased with the progress of the tree planting over the last 2 years. More tree activities will take place in Uasin Gishu, Kericho, Nakuru and Nairobi counties.
2 million mark, and it's a great moment for us as an organization, because we're back to the Kakamega Rainforest, third year in a row. We were here in 2021, 2022, and we're back in 2023. We first came to look at the work we've done in previous years, and we're very impressed. Our trees are now very big.
We have been doing this for the last 7 years, and up to yesterday we had planted 56 acres of the 100 acres were given by the forest officers to plant. Of course, we have not been doing this alone. We have had the help of World Rally Champion team in covering the 19 million. They've been planting trees with us for the third time running, and we appreciate it.